Hi, I am Mohit Jain. I am a car enthusiast and by profession I am a design engineer. I am an admirer of great design, and when I saw the all-new Thar in the showroom, I was just amazed by its impeccable design from the front grille to the tail lights. The all-new Thar has got my favorite retro design on the outside, and it embodies all the new high-end modern features. The engine AMOC is an absolute beast. I love the throttle response. The numbers on the spec sheet do not do any justice to how good the acceleration is. The seats provide a good amount of lumbar support, which makes it easier to go for longer rides. The cruise control is absolutely phenomenal, which makes me more involved with my friends and family. Whenever I have to travel for some work, I am always assured about my safety because it has dual airbags and a 4-star rating. Performance, the one thing that I can never leave at home, both in my work and in my choices.